Tutorial: Interaction between the logical workspace and the physical workspace. This tutorial demonstrates how the logical workspace and the physical workspace correspond to each other. You can see that the wireless PC is currently associated with the wireless router. This can be changed by taking the PC out of range of the wireless router through the physical workspace. Click here to go to the physical workspace. Go to the main wiring. Scroll down to see the devices. A PC inside the wiring closet will always be within range of the access point in the same wiring closet, so we must first take the PC outside of the wiring closet. The PC is now in the city level. The mesh represents an access point's wireless signal range. In this case, it is the range for the wireless router. In case you can't see the mesh or broadcast circle, they can be made visible from the Options Preferences Hide tab. The PC is now moved outside the wireless signal area. Go back to the logical workspace and see the result. As you can see, the PC is no longer associated with the wireless router because it is outside the range of the router's wireless signal. If the PC is moved back within the wireless signal area, the PC will be connected to the wireless router again. This ends the interaction between logical workspace and the physical workspace tutorial.